Hey, I received this from the brand to try out, and this is essentially a replacement for your wireless case for your AirPod Pro 1 and 2. It's compatible with both, and it is almost exactly the same as the original. You can see it has a little spot for the lanyard. It doesn't come with a lanyard, unfortunately. It's got a Bluetooth pairing button on the back, and this is also on the back compatible with Qi wireless charging, and it does have a USB-C port right here to charge wirelessly. It also does have speakers on the bottom, so it will make tones and noises as needed whenever you're pairing. And it is compatible with Apple's Find My network. So if you happen to misplace this, you can use the Find My network, log in, and it'll play a tone so that you can find this device. If you open it up, you can see that it looks almost exactly the same. It has a really great fit and molding for the AirPod Pros. And this has similar battery life. This has a 660 milliamp hour battery life, which will charge your AirPod Pros about 5 times, very similar to the originals. Overall, this is a really great buy. If you're looking for like a budget-friendly replacement, this has got to be it. But I hope you found this helpful and have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.